Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can share responses in the Claude AI application on Android. So let us guide you through it. Launch Claude AI, and what you want to do is access one of your past conversations or chats. So let me go with this one here. I have had just an hour ago, so tap into it and then you will see the reply here. So you may scroll through the conversation or chat history and simply navigate to the response by Claude AI you would like to share. So you will see that share button below the given message, just like that, with these three connected dots. So tap into it, and after that switch from only you to anyone with the link to make the given link accessible to people you share it with or contacts. And after that, tap into share link here below, and that will give you the opportunity to share the given message, for example, as a shareable link with your contacts via WhatsApp, Telegram, emails, other social media platforms, direct messaging services, Gmail, and so on and so forth, or text messages. Simply select the given application, and that is going to redirect you to it so that you may post the given link to that reply automatically and send it to your contact. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.